Complete solution of mathematics for class 10 under Board of Secondary Education Manipur. Solved, recorded and edited by I. Salame Gasandra Singh, lecturer, Sursan Higher Secondary School, Imphal. Chapter 5. What problems based on quadratic equations? Quadratic equation ga mari lainaba what problems sing adudi. Exercise 5.2. Question number 1. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 61. Thangnaba natural number anigi square gi sum asi 20 is 61 ni. Find the numbers singdu puthu. Let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive natural numbers. X amasung x plus 1 na thangnaba natural number ani du ohelasi. From the given condition of the problem, wahang asidagi apibo condition singadu panjilaga we get x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 61. X plus 1 see expand x plus 1 whole square expand to see we have x square plus twice x plus 1. Combining x square and x square we get twice x square plus twice x minus 60. Dividing in its term by 2, we have x square plus x minus 30 equal to 0. Factorize this quadratic expression, we have x plus 6 whole into x minus 5 equal to 0. Product of two factors is 0. So, the first factor may be 0 or second factor may be 0. X plus 6 equal to 6 gives x equal to minus 6, or x minus 5 equal to 0 gives x equal to 5. But x equal to minus 6 is not a natural number, so we have x equal to 5. Thus, the two consecutive natural numbers are 5 and 6. Question number 2. The sum of a number and its reciprocant is 37 by 6. Find the number. Number ama sumaha ke reciprocant ani reciprocant ga tinjinabagi fall as the 37 by 6 ni. Find the number. Number do putu u haibani. Let x be the number and its reciprocant is 1 by x. X na p ba number do putokadaba number do oirabadi maha ke reciprocant do the 1 by x oirani. According to question wahangi matungina we have their sum that is x plus 1 by x is given as 37 by 6. Sum up on the left side we have this and cross multiply. We have 6x square plus 6 equal to 37x. Transfer 37x on left side. We have this quadratic equation factorized. Splitting the middle term 37 is 36 plus 1. We have this taking 6x from first two terms. We have 6x equal to x minus 6. From last two term we have taking out minus 1 into x minus 6. Now we are left with two terms. In each case, x minus 6 is common factor. Taking out x minus 6 from first term, we are left with 6x in the first term and minus 1 in the second term. Now left hand side is factorized. Their product is 0. First factor may be 0 or second factor may be 0. First factor that is x minus 6 equal to 0 gives x equal to 6, or 6x minus 1 equal to 0 gives x equal to 1 by 6. Thus the number is either 6 or 1 by 6. Question number 3. The sum of two numbers is 7 and the difference of their reciprocants is 1 by 12. Number ani tinsinabagi policy 7 ni makoigi reciprocant singi khenabana 1 by 12 ni. What are the two numbers? Number ani ado kaya no. Let x and 7 minus x be the two numbers. Number anidu aman x aman 7 minus x lowre. Number ani oirabadi x na 7 minus x tagi sauba ama or 7 minus x na x tagi sauba ama natraga x ka 7 minus x ka manaba ama. Mafam asidadi number ani se aman sawala se. From the given condition, we have 1 by x minus 1 by of 7 minus x equal to 1 by 12. X na api ba x na 7 minus x tagi pick na lowre adu erabadi 1 by x na 1 by x na 1 by of 7 minus x tagi chawgani. Their difference is 1 by 12. It is given. Sum up on the left side and cross multiply. We have this 12 7 zadi 84 ni 12 2 zadi 24 ni minus 24x pange 7x minus x square si term right labor term animal left thang asi. We have this quadratic expression splitting the middle term minus 31 whose into two numbers whose product is plus 84. Therefore the possible numbers are minus 3 and minus 28. Their sum is minus 31. Minus 3 into minus 28 is 8 plus 84. Taking x from first two term, we have x times of x minus 3, and minus 28 from the last two term, we have x minus 3. Again taking out x minus 3 from two terms. Then for first we are left with x, for second term we are left with minus 28. Therefore their product is 0. Implies either first factor may be 0 or second factor equal to 0, which also gives x equal to 3 or x equal to 28. But x equal to 28 is invalid because the sum of the numbers is 7. Therefore x cannot be 28. Thus the two numbers are 3. One is 3, another one is 7 minus 3, that is 4. The numbers are 3 and 4. Question number 4. The sum of the squares of two consecutive even positive integers is 244. Thangnaba positive integer anigi square singi tinsinaba fola do 244 ni. What are the two numbers? Number anido kaya kayano. Let x and x plus 2 be two consecutive even positive integers. By question we have x square plus x plus 2 whole square is given as 244. Expand second term and simplify. We have this. Again transfer 244 on the left side and sum up with plus 4. We have minus 240. Divide in its term by 2. We have x square plus twice x minus 120 equal to 0. Factorize this quadratic expression. We have this, from which we have either x equal to 10 or x equal to minus 12. X equal to 10 is possible and x equal to minus 12 is invalid because x must be positive even integers. Hence the two numbers are one is 10, another one is 10 plus 2, that is 12. Thus the two numbers are 10 and 12. Question number 5. Find two consecutive odd integers if the sum of their squares is 202. Thangnaba or integers anigi square singi tinsinaba fall adu 202 taba number thangnaba or integers anido putu. Let x and x plus 2 be two odd consecutive integers. By question we have x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 202. Expand and simplify. We have this. Transfer this on this side and divide in its term by 2. We have this. Factorize this so that we get x plus 11 into x minus 9 equal to 0. First factor gives x plus 11 equal to 0 gives x equal to minus 11. X minus 9 equal to 0 gives x equal to 9. But x equal to 9 is possible. X equal to minus 11 is invalid. Hence the two consecutive odd integers are 9 and 11. Thangnaba odd oiba integer ani adudi apipuna 9 or abadi 2 more to the 11 or ani. Question number 6. A number consists of two digits. Number amada masing mayek ani yawi. The digits in the units place is the square of the digit in the tens place. Tens place talaiba digit ki square dona units place talaiba digit adu tens place labor digit to square ga manai. If the sum of the digits is 12, number masing mayek ani gi tinsinaba follow to 12 or abadi find a number. Let x and 12 minus x be the digits in the tens place and units place respectively. Tens place labor number to x or 8, units place labor number to 12 minus x or any. Then the number is tens place level digit 10 purire plus units place level digit hapsele, which is the required number. By question we have x square tens place level number do square na units place level digit to mane hairabani do the x square equal to 12 minus x, and we have a quadratic equation in the variable x. Factorize, we have x plus 4 whole into x minus 3 equal to 0. First factor is equal to 0 or second factor is equal to 0. Solving x, we have minus 4 or 3, but minus 4 is invalid. Digits cannot be negative. X equal to 3, x equal to minus 4 is invalid because which is not digit. There are 10 digits from starting from 0 up to 9. Thus the number is x, that we have x is replaced by 3, we get 30. 12 minus 3 is 9, that is 39. The required number is 39. Question number 7. A number consists of 2 digits. The product of the digits is 20. This number amada di masing mayek ani yawi digits masing mayek singi puri naba pol na 20 ni. When 9 is added to the number 9 na masing adu the half chalabadi, the digits interchange their places. Digits singadu ma pham onthong na raga phangwa number do tai 9 half chalaba matungda find the number do putu have ni 2 digit number dadi units place, tens place. Let x and 20 minus x be the digits in tens place and units place respectively. Atarage kadale ba masing to x laurabadi units kadale ba masing to 20 minus x ni makhoi ge product na 20 ni haina piram banina. Then the number is tens place the labor number 10 na puriro 10x plus units place labor number digit top chalaga number do phangane. By question we have tens place hanagi number 9 8 toxilabadi hanagi digit anidu onthong naraga phangba 2 digit number duga manai haibani. Tens place the leba x to units place the thamboro units place the leba 20 by x to the 10 puriro, we have reverse taraga phangba number do phangai. Solving this and cancelling x, we have this, and we have to form quadratic equation. Divide 9 in its term, we have x square plus x minus 20 equals 0. We have to factorize this quadratic expression. For this, we have x plus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 0, from which we have x equal to minus 5 or 4, but minus 5 is not a digit, so x should be 4. X equal to minus 5 is invalid, which is not a digit. Thus the number is 10 into 4 by plus 20 by 4, that is 45. The length of the sides in centimeter of a right triangle are x plus 1 and x plus 2. Find the length of the sides of the triangle. What is its area? Right triangle amagi side sing adu x plus 1 amasung x plus 2 ni in terms of centimeters ta. Triangle adugi side sing asangba putu lon na area su putok lamo. The length of the sides in centimeter of a right triangle are x plus 1 and x plus 2, which are given. Applying Pythagoras theorem, we have x square plus x plus 1 square whole square equal to x plus 2 whole square. Maram the number ahum sina Pythagorean triplet orabadi asoban number asine hypotenuse orani. Expand and cancelling, we have a quadratic equation. This we have to factorize. The product of two numbers is minus 3, but their sum should be minus 2. That is minus 3 plus 1. We after factorize, we have x minus 3 whole into x plus 1 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0 gives x equal to 3. X plus 1 equal to 0 gives x equal to minus 1. Therefore, x equal to 3, since x equal to minus 1 is invalid, and the length of a side cannot be negative. The lengths of the sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter respectively. Also, area of the right triangle is half base into a altitude whose base is taken as 4 and whose altitude is 3, because 4 and 3 are the two sides of the right angle. We have 6 square centimeter. Number 9. The sides containing the right angle of a right triangle differ in length by 4 cm. Right angle triangle ama semiba side singi asang bagi canvas is 7 cm ni. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm long, adugumba right triangle adugi khwaidagi sang by hypotenuse adu 13 cm sang labadi, determine the lengths of the two sides of the triangle. Triangle gi side ani gi asang ba putu ahum ni hypotenuse ti piram labanina amuk hangbai mathau leitre thau tadre. Let x centimeter and x plus 7 centimeter be the lengths of the sides containing the right angle. Right angle yauba side ani adugi asang badu x centimeter amasung x plus 7 centimeter ohelasi. By question we have x square plus x plus 7 whole square equal to 13 square, because 13 is the length of the hypotenuse. Expand and we have to form a quadratic equation. We have this, factorize this. We have x plus 12 into x minus 5 equal to 0. First factor is equal to 0 or second factor equal to 0, from which we have x equal to 5 or minus 12. Therefore, x equal to 5. Since x equal to minus 12 is invalid, the length of the side is cannot be negative number. Thus, the length of the two sides are 5 cm and 12 cm. Then, the sides containing the right angle of a right triangle are x and triceps plus 1 measure in centimeter long. If the area of the triangle is 100 square centimeter, find the length of the sides containing the right angle of the right triangle. Right triangle amagi right angle bu semiba side singa sang badu centimeter da on bada x amasung triceps plus 1 oirabadi oi area aduna 100 square centimeter oirabadi right angle right triangle gi right angle gi yauba side sing aduga sangba putu. The sides containing the right angle of a right triangle are x and triceps plus 1 measure in centimeter long. By question we have area of the triangle is given is 100, but area of triangle is half base into altitude. Here base is x and altitude is triceps plus 1, because they two are the lengths of the sides containing right angle. And we have this quadratic equation factorized. We have splitting plus x, which is plus 25 into minus 24. Their sum is plus 1 and their product is minus 600. Taking the x from the first two term, we have this, and minus I from the last two term, we have this. Again, taking out thrice x plus 25 for the first, we are left with x. For second term, we are left with minus I, which is product of two factors is 0. First factor equal to 0 gives x equal to minus 25 by 3. Second factor equal to 0 gives x equal to I. Therefore, x equal to I is true, because since x equal to minus 25 by 3 is invalid, the length of a side cannot be negative number. Thus, the lengths of the sides containing the right angle of the right triangle are I centimeter, and 3 times of I plus 1 centimeter, that is 25 centimeter. Question number 11. The difference between the lengths of the two diagonals of a rhombus is 3 cm. If the area of the rhombus is 24 square centimeter, find the lengths of the sides of the rhombus. Rhombus amagi diagonal anigi asang bagi kenabasi 2 cm ni. Diagonal haibadu aikoina khangle. Diagonal side ahumak sangwa manaba asumna toba figures ni. Mahaki diagonal amana sini diagonal amana si ohelasi. Atenba diagonal duna x ohelabadi amadudi 2 cm kenabadina si urani. Let x centimeter and x plus 2 cm be the two diagonals of the rhombus. The area of the rhombus is equal to half the product of two diagonals, but whose value is given as 24 square centimeter. Equating these two terms, we have this, and cross multiply transfer, we get a quadratic equation x square plus twice x minus 40i equal to 0. Factorize this. We have x plus I whole into x minus 6 equal to 0. Solving x equal to minus I or 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 is true, because since x equal to minus I is invalid, the length of a diagonal cannot be negative number. Thus, the lengths of the diagonals of the rhombus are 6 cm and I cm respectively. Again, we have to find out rhombus. Find the rhombus, the side or the length of the two diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle, which is known. Habidi siga sangba siga manai siga sangba siga manai makoi any right angle the kaknai habani. Pythagoras theorem palabadi Pythagoras right angle amo or a right angle at this the right angle or. Thus, the length of the side of the rhombus is square root of 6 sangba sigi tangkai 6 ki tangkai di c3 lerani 8 ki tangkai di bisector di I ki tangkai di c ani simane habani I ki tangkai di 4 lere 3 4 oirabadi right triangle amagi atopadu square root of 6 by 2 whole square plus 8 by 2 whole square, that is square root of 3 square plus 4 square, whose is 5 centimeter. The rhombus ki side amega sang of 5 centimeter oigani. Question number 12. The length of a rectangular plot is 4 meter more than its breadth. Rectangular plot amagi breadth length aduna breadth tagi 4 centimeter heli havani. In a 4 sang abadi, in x sang abadi, breadth asina x sang abadi, length aduna x plus 4 orani. Then the area of the plot is 332. Maki area C 322 square meter in a pyramid. Find the length and breadth of the plot. Plot a sig length breadth puto haven. Let x centimeter be the breadth of the plot. Plot adugi a breadth marake asang would x meter lower c. Well see then x plus 4 meter be the length of the plot. Plot adugi mayungi asang bo oirani. My question, we have area of the rectangle, the length into breadth ki formula palo, which is also given as 320. We have a quadratic equation in this. Factorize this. We have x minus 20 whole into x plus 16 equal to 0. First factor equal to 0 gives x equal to 20. Second factor equal to 0 gives x equal to minus 16. Therefore, x equal to 20. Since x equal to minus 16 is invalid, length cannot be negative. Thus, the length and breadth of the rectangular plot are 24 meter and 20 meter. Matangsina length na 24 meter, breadth na 20 meter orane. Number 13. A rectangular looking glass 18 centimeter by 12 centimeter has a wooden frame of uniform width. 18 centimeter by 12 centimeter oiba looking glass amagi uniform frame sing ugi frame sing lay. If uniform oiba white na uniform oiba ugi frame yawe, if the area of the frame is equal to that of the looking glass, frame adugi area adu looking glass ki area ga manarabadi, find the dimensions of the frame glass. Frame chalaba glass adugi dimension putu haibani. Hujik machine looking glass to nihana load se ki dimension de 18 centimeter by 12 centimeter ne. Masi amok uniform white leba wooden frame amana koiselasi. Wooden frame amana. Tumna koisela si ki sided portion si wooden frame maduni. Akoi loina mok papa mane hena papa mane pir si ga sang budu x ni. This x ni. This x ni. This x ni. Asumna phangba si ki length today hoji 18 plus 2x x na kanani mak tap chulani. Ma ki breadth na 12 plus 2x x orani. Let x centimeter be the width of the wooden frame of uniform white. Uniform white labor pu frame adugi apak passing those x centimeter lower c. Then the length and the breadth of the frame glass are frame chalaba glass adugi mahaki length to na 18 plus twice x centimeter aduga breadth aduna 12 plus twice x centimeter orane. From the given conditions of the problem, we get area of the frame glass minus area of the looking glass equal to area of the looking glass, which is given. Multiply, divide in sum by taking 4. We have this. Then we make a quadratic equation and factorize this quadratic equation. We have x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 18. Therefore, x equal to 3 is true since x equal to minus 18 is invalid. Length wide cannot be negative number. Thus, the dimensions of the looking glass are 18 plus twice x, the 3 pixel we have this, and breadth to the 12 plus 2 into x value 3 centimeter, that is 32 centimeter by to 18 centimeter into by hena pagani dimension to length breadth haru so asumna ine. Question number 14. A sum of rupees 200 lent out at compound interest compounded annually amounts to rupees 220.5 into years. Lupa chani bo compound interest ta sahi da chendoi ka bagi sang da shandok pada lupa chani ga kun ga paisa ma khai phangi sahi ani da. What is the rate of interest? Interest ki sang kaya no? Rate of interest kaya no? Let x% be the rate of interest annually. Sahi gi chendoi ka bagi sang si sama da lupa x ni. Laurasi. For compound interest ki formula amount putok pagi formula d p times or 1 plus r% whole to the power n. Putting their respective values by according to question we have a da 220.5 pirani, p da 200 pirani, r da di x lograbani x pisalani, n gi value di 2 years number of payrolls to 2 ni. And from 200 from the yellow we have this from the sum of the whole 100 ki square di 1 into 0 1 the 0 maria when it's multiply to which is also whole number, then 100 plus x whole square expansion is quadratic equation number 7 factorize to see we have x minus 5 whole into x plus 205 equal to 0. We have x equal to 5 or minus 205. X equal to 5 is true since x equal to minus 205 is invalid. Rate of interest cannot be negative number. Thus, the rate of interest is 5% compounded annually. Question number 15. A journey up to 24 km from Imphal to Jiribam takes 2 whole 2/5 hours less by a car than by a passenger bus. 224 km sang ba Imphal dagi Jiribam boki arapa si car amana satpa matam dagi bus amana satpa matam dagi car amana satpa matam sinapung aniga to half to 2 whole 2/5 hours hantai. If the average speed of the bus is 12 km per hour less than that of the car bus na satpa car dagi bus ki speed si 12. If the average speed of the bus is 12 km per hour less than that of the car, if the average speed of the bus is 12 km per hour less than that of the car ki speed tagi bus ki speed na 12 km per hour hanthai. Find the average speed of the bus and that of the car. Vehicle animal speed to let x km per hour and x plus 12 km per hour be the average speeds of the bus and the car respectively. Bus is speed tapani, car is speed chawani, x plus 12 na x tagi chaw. Time taken from Imphal to Jiribam by the bus aduna Imphal dagi Jiribam box chapil changma matam de s equal to vt ki formula da s ta speed na yelaga time phangi, and that of the car de 224 distance adu da car na chapagi car speed x plus 12 na yelaga phangi. By question we have makoi ani gi matam gi khena ba si khara chawba number asiga pikpo number se khaido khragani tapmanaba number da denominator pick labadi denominator pick podona value chawgani si 2 and 2 whole 2/5 ore simplify tawro sum up tawro adu cross multiply tawraga ipona quadratic equation number phange basi factorize tawsi splitting middle term plus 12 asi. Then we have this factorization x plus 40 into x minus 28 equal to 0. X equal to minus 40 or 28. X equal to 28 is possible since x equal to minus 40 is invalid. Thus, the average speed of the bus is 28 km per hour and that of the car is x plus 12. That is 28 plus 12 is 40 km per hour. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Motorboat amana still water da mana salib speed asi 18 km per hour ni masina 24 km loikatpada 24 km loikatpada sangiba matam asi matam asina one more pung ama heli mahak chap manaba sport asida amhana gi mafam da amuk khalak pada changi ba matam asi. This is 24 km. Motor boat ni still water da mahak na still water da 18 km per hour speed ni ising ise leba turen amada mahak na loikhat kadrini upstream loikhat pa matam da changi ba matam asina pung ama heli ari ba mafam adu dagi hanagi sport mafam adu da halak pada downstream loitharak pada changba matam dagi ising ise na dugi current adugi speed puthu u haibani. Let x km per hour be the speed of the stream. Stream adugi speed adu x km per hour lore. The speed of the boat downstream loithabagi speed t ni pa adugi still water the level speed plus ising isen speed ani si oigani 18 plus x km per hour oigani and speed of the boat upstream here aduna mathakta loikhatpagi speed t hongatpagi speed t mahak spinna ising isen speed tagi chawgani 18 minus x oigani x minus 18 oiroi km per hour oirani. By question we have time taken to cover 24 km when upstream loikhat pada 24 km si sat pada changba matam minus time taken to cover 24 km when downstream loitharak pa matam da same distance si loitharak pada taw tharak pada hon tharak pada changba matam ado khaidu oga 1 hour samana gani. Then time di s by v palaga time phange sina loikhat pagi hongat pagi sina taw hon tharak pagi di s by v palaga si phangan which is equal to 1. Sum up torabadi we have this cross multiply and transfer we have a quadratic equation. Factorize we get by splitting middle term we have this. Lastly we have this x equal to 6 or minus 54. X ki value di split ni minus 54 or VRD. Therefore x equal to 6. Since x equal to minus 54 is invalid. Thus the speed of the stream is 6 km per hour current. Ising sendu speed of 6 km per hour oigani. Masin 18 degi p isin. 17. The speed of a boat in still water is 8 km per hour. Amagi arepa ising the hon bada mahagi speed 8 km per hour. It can go 15 km upstream and 20 km downstream in 5 hours. Hongat padana 15 kilometers to Hondara padana 24 kilometers upon basang iba timing si 5 hours oirabadi find speed of the stream ising isendugi karena dugi speed putu haibani madu x lokselasi. Let x kilometer per hour be the speed of the stream. The speed of the boat downstream the 8 plus x km per hour and the speed of the boat upstream the 8 minus x km per hour. By question we have time taken to cover 15 km in upstream plus time taken to cover 22 km in downstream which is given as 5 hours. We have s by b, we have this 15 by 8 minus x plus 22. 22 hontarapagi speed t 22 by 8 plus x equal to 5. Sum up and simply cross multiply and transfer. We have this quadratic equation. Factorized by splitting middle term manisi together see middle term together we have this taking common from the first two term and the last two term and again x minus 3 we have this solving we have x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 8 by 5. Therefore x equal to 3 is true since x equal to minus 8 by 5 is invalid. Speed cannot be negative. Thus the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. Thanks for watching.